What's up, guys? So in today's video I'm going to talk about something that I recently installed, which was the Underglow. I didn't expect to get as many questions as I did. I posted a little clip of it on Instagram and I got so many questions about how I installed it, where I ran it through, how much did it cost, where did I get it from, all of this stuff, and it kind of makes me wish that I made an install video, but I didn't. So I'm going to make this video kind of explaining everything that I did when I installed the Underglow. And how I ran it, how I hooked it up, and all that fun stuff. I want to shout out to my fiance real quick. She actually did all the wiring for me to the batteries. That was awesome because that cut a lot of time out for me. With that being said, let's just jump right into it. Let's not waste any time. The application was really easy. All I did was actually install the application from the App Store, and once I opened up the application, all I did was click the power button and it just turned them on. There was no like setup process. I didn't have to go through a bunch of things just to get it connected to the actual unit, so that was awesome and really easy. The price of this kit that I specifically got was pretty cheap in my opinion. It was only $30 on Amazon. I have the unit connected to the battery and it's right next to it. My fiance put like the cords kind of tucked in next to the intake air box. Right below it, it's running through the fender liner. I know it doesn't sound safe, but you can see it right here that it's actually tucked away pretty well. And then for the front, I kind of rolled the cords up and I stuffed them through the plastic in the front. So those are like in there and they're zip tied, so they're not going to come out for sure. The front is taped up also with those little brackets that I came with that you guys see here, and then the sides I kind of did the same thing. I kind of just put the cords wherever they could. And the rear the rear is what I'm like afraid of, because I've seen people do it before but I have the Underglow taped up to the heat shield and I have one bracket on it and the cord on the other end is zip tied. It's just kind of ghetto looking, but I wanted it done that way so it could light up the exhaust when I drive at night. I'm probably only going to run it with the white color on, but yeah, that's the only part I'm nervous about, is that it getting heated up and just like melting away or some crazy shit. Other than that, that's where I put everything. I hope that helps you out, like for your car, you know, wherever you're installing it on. I know it's not going to be the same for each car, but hopefully this helps you get a better visual about it instead of just kind of guessing and just going off of what I'm typing. But yeah, if you have any other questions about it, how it's holding up or anything like that, I'll go ahead and I'll answer them as the best I can. But yeah, I hope this video really helped you guys out. Again, I really appreciate all you guys and all the support, and yeah, until next time.